You want to make this sort of image by the help of AI. So let's get started. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. At first I'll upload that image, add image over there. So I want to make this sort of effect for my image, which is like this. So I'm using this photo and uploading in a ChatGPT. Just writing over there, make image to prompt. So it will, meaning the ChatGPT will provide you a prompt like this photo. So this is like a BMW, this sort of car, but I want to make my car into this sort of effect. So how to do that? So I'm taking this prompt and providing over there, and now modify the prompt for MG5 PEARL color car. Act like a pro prompt engineer. So just hitting the enter button. ChatGPT will again modify this prompt according to my car. So you can tell your car model or your like a product. So now I'm copying this one. Now I'll go to Google AI Studio and just clicking over there, get start over there, and from the plus sign, before that you have to choose the Nano Banana, this model. I just already selected, and upload this one, and I'll upload the reference image, and after that providing the prompt which I got from the ChatGPT, and use my uploaded photo and create like that. So upload it. If you see any sort of a spelling mistake, do correct over there and hit the run button. ChatGPT just provided the prompt. You given the reference of the image and all the prompt and reference image provided into the Google Nano Banana, Google AI Studio, and Google AI Studio is generating this. So let's see what is they are providing. Wow. So MGGT just provided over there, and they took this like nameplate name and it's provided like that. So let's try another one. So going to here, I'll search another image. So I do like this image or this sort of image. This is good. So saving this photo, saving over there, and now again going to ChatGPT and taking new chat, or you can just written over there, forget previous prompt. Okay, just provided forget previous prompt, it will forget everything. And now upload the new image, make image to prompt and modify that prompt like a pro, use modification MG5 for new prompt. Okay, hit the enter button. So you can write down the one single line to modify and generate prompt for the image. So it's already provided. copying this one and going to the Nano Banana, and now I'll save this image for reference and for you guys. And now I'll change only this portion of the prompt and hit the tick button, or you can press the command and enter. It will take a command to the new generation, and now it will show you how the prompt is working and what is the output Nano Banana is providing me. The image already, wow, that's great. So saving this one again, or you can download here a small download link and saving this, and you can provide any sort of image. So let's try another image. So here is another image. Here is this sort of image. So let's try this sort of image, some smoky and foggy things. So saving this one and going to the ChatGPT again, and I will upload this one to ChatGPT, and here same prompt I will provide in this case and hit the enter button. Let's see the ChatGPT, what is ChatGPT providing me to use the prompt or everything. So ChatGPT provided me another prompt. Let's go to the Nano Banana and keeping the thing, use my uploaded photo and create, and just hit the control enter. So in this image Nano Banana just changed my car color. So change, make the car color pearl white, and just hit the control enter or command enter. Now let's see, the car should be like a pearl white. Let's see, now car is pearl white. Saving these things faster. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. Until the next video, ASM Arif signing out today. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers, and bye bye.